Hey, Mark here from muse.markrabin.com. I'm very excited to share a widget with you today. It's called Easy Password Protect with a username and a password. Very easy to use. Let me show you what you do here. You just drop this onto the page and it gives you a username and a password to work with. Instead of just having one password for everybody, you can set up a username and a password, and I haven't seen any other widgets like this from Muse, so I'm very excited to share this with you. Anyways, let's get started. Now, the way this works is it actually just combines the username and the password with a dash in between, and then it forwards you to the .html of that combination. So I'll show you what I mean once we go through some of the customizations, and then it will make sense. So the options here is you can change the text that goes into the input name. So you could have it say username or person name, and you can justify the text. I've got the options here: left, right, center. So if you want it centered, you just type center. You can change the accent color of the box, which is the color it changes to when you focus on that input box. Then you have the color of the background. Right now it's white, but you can change it to whatever you want. Then you can change the border thickness and the border type: solid, dotted, double. Basically any CSS border style you can put in there. These are just the main three. If you wanted to Google whatever the border box styles are, any of those values will work here. And then the border color, and then the text color. So we can change that to white if we wanted to. And then these boxes are independent. You can style them independently. Now, one of the cool things about the password box is that you can set the box value, but if you don't want it to have dots for the password, you can change that to text. These are the two options: password and text. So if I type text in here, then that's going to allow you to see what the actual text is. So that's pretty cool. But let's say we want to keep this password so that someone can't see what that is. And then we'll go ahead and center align this as well, just for fun. And then the button here, you can style this with the regular built-in Muse settings. And you can also adjust the states for like hover. So if I go and I publish this, and we'll see here, type in the username and password, and then you see you have the hover state there. And log in. So this goes back into what I was trying to explain earlier, is that here's your username, here's your password, and it's combined with the hyphen here. So what you're going to want to do is set up a page for this in Muse so that this exists when someone types in that username and password. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So like if I were to come back in here, and let's go ahead and add another page here. We'll call it Marky's dash password page. And then we'll type some text here. Yay, you made it. All right. And we'll go ahead and publish that. Bring the page back up. We'll call this, let's see, type in the username, Marky's, and then password page. Log in. Yay, we made it. Now I'm going to come back in here and I want to change this so that it says text. And I want to change the layout too. And I think I want both of these to be left aligned. I mean right aligned. And I think I want the box accent color on this one to be whatever all 2s is. I think I had too many 2s. There we go. Let's try that. All right, and we'll publish that. Refresh it. See, now everything's all lined up this way, which is nice. And type Marquis password page. So now you can see what the password is. Yay, we made it again. All right, and you can see here, username, password. But that gives you a nice option so that when you're making pages in the back with Muse, you could actually set it up like over here you have Marquis pages, and then you can just add pages down the line here that all have to do with that client or customer. And you could have all those interlink with each other. And yeah, I think that would work out nice. So I hope that you enjoy it. I'm pretty excited about it. Now, I do want to mention, since this is, it's just pointing to a page, if somebody wants to, get access to your stuff, they're probably going to be able to do it, if they really want to and they know what they're doing. But for the everyday user, this should be strong enough to keep out the average, not technical person. As long as you don't have any ingoing links going to this page, you shouldn't have to worry too much about Google crawling it. It's only when you have pages that link into this page that Google goes in and tries to crawl it. So you shouldn't have to worry about it showing up in search engines too much. Obviously, don't keep any critical data or financial information on these pages. I would not recommend that because, again, like I said, if a hacker wants to get access to your information, they're going to do it. But this is more so to keep the regular everyday user from just snooping around and seeing stuff that they don't really need to be seeing. If you're looking around for widgets and you don't see something that's quite right for you, let me know. Maybe I can make some adjustments or put together something that works for you. Yeah, send me a message. Be happy to hear from you. I feel like there's other stuff I want to say, but I can't think of it. Yeah, so thanks for watching.